Let's look at the conjunction. Remember, conjunction is things that mean and. So let's do an example and see if we can use that to help us understand what the truth table should look like. Let's let P be I have been to Madison. And let's let Q be I have a BS in mathematics. I want to examine the statement I've been to Madison and I have a BS in mathematics. We already know we would symbolize this statement as P and Q, and this is exactly the kind of statement I want to use to represent our truth table here. Notice this time we actually have two inputs. We have possibly a value for P, or we have a value for P and a possibly different or possibly the same value for Q. Since I have two choices for P and two choices for 2, I'm going to have 2 times 2 possible combinations here. That means 4 rows for this truth table. Okay, I'm always going to fill these values in the same way. Starting on the rightmost simple statement, I'm going to alternate starting with true until I run out of space. So here I have true, false, true, false. And then I'm going to take a step to the left and double up. I just did 1 in a row, so 2 in a row for true, true, false, false. So this time our inputs are actually both of these, but we still only have one output. Let's briefly go through each row and see if we can understand why the truth table is the way it is. So in this top row, suppose it is true that I have been to Madison and true I have a BS in mathematics. If I write on my resume, I've been to Madison and I have a BS in mathematics, that's true. Okay, I will be in good shape. That's a true statement. Look at this next row. Suppose it's true that I've been to Madison, but false I have a BS in mathematics. If I write on my resume, I've been to Madison and I have a BS in mathematics, I'm not telling the truth. In fact, I'll probably get caught because they're probably going to ask me, so where'd you get your BS from? Can we see the transcripts, etc. So true and false is false. If we switch it around, say it's false I've been to Madison and true I have a BS in mathematics. Again, if I write I've been to Madison and I have a BS in mathematics, that's going to be false. Now, I'm more likely to get away with that on a job application than claiming I have a BS, but the statement itself is still false. Finally, if I have not been to Madison and I don't have a BS in mathematics, but I say I have been to Madison and I have a BS in mathematics, we're going to say that that's false. So here is the meaning of conjunction. A conjunction has these 4 outputs given these inputs. So if they're both true, it's true. And then if we have basically any falses, it's false. And that's how I'm going to note what a conjunction means. A conjunction is only true when both inputs are true. A conjunction is only true when both inputs are true. That's the defining row of this truth table. And again, when I'm doing work here, I'll use this little typed guide that has these same values on it.